this technique is combs, shears, hair clips, flat iron, holding spray, conditioning gel, slick edge, bulk hair for braiding, no F. This technique is great on natural, non-processed hair or chemical hair as well. It is also great if you're transitioning from a relaxer to natural. This technique does promote hair growth, so your hair is growing while you're relaxing with the braids. Of course, we're going to do the swoop across her forehead. We're going to part the hair in small subsections, and you can see the parting is done where it's gonna get as close as possible. When you take the hair, you fold it in two, you fold it in half. Then you go ahead and start at the immediate edge of the client hair. Then you go around with the hair and then you pull. Basically, this is doing a basic cornrow. Okay? So you go around and then you leave out a strand of hair. And then you perform the same steps again. You go around and then you pull immediately to the left. I normally pull the hair on both sides to give that even out look. And it also helps with the fullness. So you get a strand, you go around the loop, and as soon as you get your grip, you pull to the left. Make sure all the client natural hair is not exposed because we're dealing with two different types of texture. So we have the yucky straight human hair and then we have the client hair as well. So we're exposing the commercial hair. You glide around and then you pull out. As you continue to braid the hair, you're going to pull to the left. Then you're going to grab more hair and go around your three subsection. Then you immediately pull to the left. Then you're going to grab some hair and then you're going to pull to the right. This is basically pulling the commercial hair on both sides. So you're pulling from the three equal parts that you started off with, and you glide the hair into a braid, which turns into a cornrow. Which is attached to the braided scalp. Each time you pick up three sections or three pieces of hair, you're going to braid right into it, and then you gently pull from the left and to the right. You're going to continue to braid the hair all the way to the tail end. Pretty much braid past the client natural hair. Then you're going to take a small strand of hair, then you go around. I normally go around in 3 loops. This is called the slip knot process. It allows the hair to stay intact, and there's no need to apply any glue to the client hair. I'm going to start this again. You're going to start at the very beginning of the client hairline, the edge. Then you're going to glide all the way down. Then you're going to pull to the right, and you pull the commercial hair to the left. Continue to do this uniform pattern so it can be spread out evenly. Do you see? We have enough that covered the right side that you don't see any braids at all. Could you believe cornrows look just like illusion of weave? So you go ahead. I went ahead and added the other color. And I continue to braid all the way down. You're going to braid past the client natural hair. And you're still going to pull to the left and to the right on the tail end. And then perform the slip knot. Do at least 3 to 4 knots for security. I'll show you once again. And you can see my dark, which is my number 2. And I did a number 4. She also has 30 and 27. This is my reverse ombre look for my client. This hair that we're using is from Urban Beauty. It is yaki straight. And it is 100% human hair. This technique can last up to 8 weeks. You can shampoo the hair. You can also shampoo the scalp as well. Or you can use GBraids for hair, skin, and nail to clean the scalp, to eliminate all the debris. It's the same uniform pattern that you can normally endure in doing, which is pulling the commercial hair to the left and pulling the commercial hair to the right. So it's every other, every other, every other. And when you feel like there's not much hair to work with, you go ahead and add more strands of hair. It's very multitaskable. Really can't use the cell phone while doing this. One can work out with this hairstyle, and it's great for corporate America, postpartum. It's great for proms. This technique here is good for a lot. Whatever the occasion is, I mean, this is it, because it looks just like weave. You get the best of both worlds. You get the best of braids, and you get the best part of looking like the illusion where you really don't see the braids. And you can also, this is a versatile technique where you can do updos, ponytails. It's great. And it's very low maintenance as well. We're going to continue to glide all the way down until we're done with that section. I'm going to let you see closely of the routine pattern. Now, there you have it. see how my color is laying. Could comb it, and the swoop formation is actually falling as to exactly how I envision it to fall. So it's all about angle braiding. You see exactly where I want the parting to be, because she's going to have a part there, and you really can't see the braids, not that much. It's beautiful. Look at my part, and there's no tension at all around the parted area. We really did well hiding her hair. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're done. Like I said, this technique takes about 4 to 6 hours depending on the client natural state of hair. This is a complete look, and you can see the colors. We have our 27 on the very bottom, 34, and then the number 2 on top. And this is all cornrows, see? All cornrows. The braids are really hitting like towards the bottom, right underneath. Let's give the illusion of it. Very nice. I went ahead and just razor cut it a little bit and added some curls. Drop curls. You can see the colors. Very nice.